construction of the building which is going to house the rice mill. And we think that construction, as we said at the meeting, is going to take about 2 to 3 months. In that period, the mill that has been procured will be in place within those 3 months, and we'll need another month or so to now erect the mill into the building. It is a new rice mill. It is costing about 50 million shillings or thereabouts, plus shipping and insurance. And the building is going to cost about 15 million shillings. So we are talking about a total of about 65 million shillings going to that project. And I'm grateful to the County Assembly that in dealing with the supplementary bill, the supplementary appropriation bill and the supplementary budget, they were reasonable with us to see the need of bringing this rice mill to Songa. Already there's a need for that rice mill. A lot of the paddy is being taken to Uganda for milling, and it's not quite a finished product. It's brought here for sale. But the extent of value addition is not 100%. With this mill, we are going to be able to use about 70% of the paddy or thereabouts is going to be the white long grain rice for human consumption. The rest, including the husks and the broken rice, will go into chicken feed, animal feed. So everything that is coming out of the rice is going to be 100% turned into some byproduct. So the mill is also going to handle packaging. We're going to be able to package the rice in 1 kilo packets, 2, 3, 4, 5 onwards. But also we will have bags for 20 to 100 kilos. So I'm very proud about that project. And as we indicated at the groundbreaking, we right now Osonga is producing about I think 1,000 tons, did you say, of the rice? And no, 1,000 acres, where only 1,000 acres is under paddy. With this rice mill, we need to extend to about 3,000. And the capacity for the area and the Yala swamp and the lower Nzoia project, up to Ujwanga in East Ugenya and parts of Sigomre and Ugunja, there is rice growing there already. So this mill is going to be important. And it's the only, actually, mill which is going to be of that capacity, handling, the process of value addition in Siaya. I know we got a fruit thing in Asembo, another small one in Siaya town, but in terms of scale, this rice mill is a beacon showing where we want to go. We also want to improve the stores. You saw those stores that were built previously. We want to improve the floors, turn them into terrazzo. We're going to do capacity building, training with the cooperative society so that they can be able to manage the mill the way it should.
Gigavana emokelo no uyiwe kozo kuyiwe uyiwe kozo kuyiwe With large officers from county government, Mopiro governor, Kiwe Waziri, Punyala, I want to governor New Songaka the whole day. Where Coserat? They go walk at the Machielo,